Hello and welcome to the 5th lesson of the Dothraki tutorial. Today's lesson will be on the accusative of pronouns and the future tense. Alright, vocab time. As there are no nouns or verbs in our vocabulary, we will move on to adverbs. Siloch, tomorrow. Vosma, but. Ma, and. Now on to the text. Anha jilak yera. Vosma yer vos jili anna. Me jila yera. Vosma yer vos jili mae. Mori jili yera. Vosma yer vos jili mora. Kisha jila kiera. Vosma yer vos jili kisha. Yer ajili anna siloch. Ma anhas vos ojilok yera. Yer ajili mae siloch, ma me vos ojilo yera. Yer ajili mora siloch, ma mori vos ojili yera. Yer ajili kisha siloch, ma kisha vos ojilok yera. Alright, grammar time. You know, if nouns have to be declined in Dothraki, so do pronouns, right? But today we are only focusing on the accusative case of pronouns. Here are the declensions of each of the pronouns in the accusative. Anha becomes anna, yer becomes yera, me becomes mae, kisha stays as kisha, yeri stays as yeri, and mori becomes mora. You should be accustomed to memorizing things by now, so this shouldn't be too hard to memorize. Let me give you a few examples just to back it up. For instance, you would not say yer veji anha. That's like saying you hate I in English. More appropriately, you would say yer veji anna, which would correspond to you hate me in English. Do you see how all that works? Okay, let's move on then. The future tense in Dothraki is very simple. You just add a vowel in front of the present. First, you would conjugate the verb regularly in the present tense, and depending on positivity or negativity, you add a or o to the beginning of the conjugated verb, respectively. So jilat would become anhaj ajilak and anhavos ojilok. It could also become yer ajili and yer vos ojili. Now for your practice, I want you to play with what you know so far. Make sentences that make sense. And that should bring us to the end of our 5th lesson. Thank you very much, and have a good night.